This is a fixed displacement bent axis piston motor. The major components of this motor are the housing, port plate, control plate, output shaft, barrel, pistons, centering pin, and the drive flange. The ball of the pistons and the centering pin are held in sockets on the end of the output shaft by the drive flange. The pistons and barrel sit in the housing at about a 40-degree angle to the output shaft axis. A preload spring in the centering pin holds the barrel against the control plate. As pressurized fluid enters the inlet, it is fed through a kidney-shaped opening in the control plate to the 3 or 4 pistons situated over the opening. Pressure against the end of these pistons creates force which acts at an angle to the output shaft. These pistons are pushed back in the barrel towards the output shaft. The result is an output torque which causes the output shaft, the pistons, and the barrel to rotate. The pistons over the outlet area are being forced into the barrel towards the control plate. Return oil from these pistons is forced through the other kidney-shaped opening and out the outlet port. When the flow to the motor is reversed, the inlet becomes the outlet, and the outlet becomes the inlet. The motor now rotates in the opposite direction. Any internal leakage passes into the area between the rotating group and the housing. This leakage is directed from the case drain port directly back to the reservoir. Output speed of the fixed displacement bent axis motor is proportional to the input flow. Drive torque is proportional to the difference in pressure between the motor inlet and the outlet.